Imagine this. Well, the sun is barely rising over a vast military training zone. Fighter jets ready on the runway. Pilots step into cockpit, helmets locked, radar system glowing. Everything looked like a normal training. But what unfolded next? It has triggered serious worry inside the US military circle. The target was not real though, but the fear was. American pilots were ordered to hunt down enemy drones during a massive military exercise called Sentry South 26.1. The goal sounded simple: detect drones, lock on targets, destroy them before they strike. But the drones they were chasing, they were designed to copy one of the biggest threats America fears today: Iranian style attack drones. Yes, that's what we are talking about, and suddenly things did not go as planned. Pilots struggled to lock targets, and that too during multiple rounds. Pilots reportedly found it extremely difficult to track and lock onto drone replicas. Well, these were no ordinary training target. They were KX-2 aerial target, specifically built to behave like Iranian unmanned air vehicle and cruise missiles also. They fly low, they move unpredictably, and sometimes they appear in group. Exactly how modern drone warfare is evolving, and that is where the exercise exposed a chilling reality. The new battlefield is not fighter jets, it is drone swarms. Military experts, they are now sounding the alarms over one growing danger. Iran is believed to be rapidly expanding its drone manufacturing capability. Some estimates suggest that the country could produce tens of thousands of Shahed type drone, low-cost but deadly aerial weapons designed to overwhelm the air defense system. Well, these drones are not built for any one-on-one fight. No, they are not. They are built to attack in waves. And when hundreds arrive together, even advanced defense systems can struggle to respond in time. You know why these drones are so dangerous? Because unlike expensive fighter jets or missiles, these drones are cheap, simple, easy to deploy. They can travel long distances, they can fly at low altitude, or they can be programmed to strike targets like ships, military bases, crucial infrastructure as well. And ladies and gentlemen, in modern warfare, quantity is becoming just as dangerous as quality, and that is exactly what the United States is worrying right now. Well, this is not just theory or training fear. American naval forces, including those operating around the aircraft carrier USS Abraham Lincoln, they have already faced tense drone interception situation in high-stake region. Each encounter has reinforced one frightening lesson here: drone warfare is no longer the future. It is happening right now.